Welcome back to the broadcast. Xochitl Pena joins us from the Water Agency, the Desert Water Agency, to remind us about something that I think is really important. We were just talking about this. There are no new restrictions due to the current drought situation, which is pretty severe across California. But in 2017, there were restrictions that were put in place and made permanent. And you just want to remind folks about what those are.
Yes, because we have been getting phone calls from customers wondering if there are any new restrictions, but there are none. We weren't included in the declaration, emergency declaration, and the governor just asked folks to voluntarily reduce water.
By 15%.
Exactly. So no new restrictions, but like you said, it's always good to remind folks that there are restrictions in place. They became permanent after the 2017 drought, and those include, things like watering your lawn so much that you see water just running down the sidewalk or the driveway. I'm sure you've seen that around town.
Well, I will tell you the truth. In fact, someone from the water agency actually pulled up because I had a couple of sprinklers that were set not properly, and we were putting a lot of water on the sidewalk and the pavement. And they said, you got to fix that.
Like that.
Like that. You're not supposed to water the sidewalk. It does nobody any good.
No, and unfortunately, we do see that. We don't like to see that, but that is a restriction. Just like having your sprinklers run while it's raining, and you're not turning them off, for 48 hours after it rains.
Right, and those are both really important. And again, we call them restrictions because they were placed in an emergency period in 2017 when we were under severe drought. But they're really just common sense things that we should be doing anyway. If we get rain, appreciable rain, then you just turn your sprinkler system off for 48 hours because Mother Nature watered the lawn for you. But you have ways to help people adhere to this because you have smart water devices that will stop your sprinklers once it has rained.
Exactly. We like to work with our customers on being as efficient as they can be, and so we offer incentives on smart controllers, for example, that will do the work for you. If it's raining out, they can sense that, and they will make sure that the sprinklers turn off, so you're not wasting water like that.
I got one of those smart irrigation controllers. It's great. You can control it from your phone, and people you should water in the evening when it's cooler, not in the middle of the day, because that water evaporates.
Exactly. And we also work with our customers, on ways to be efficient. We encourage them to report water waste. They can go to our website, dwa.org/report, and they can fill out an online report.
So when if you're driving down Cook Street and you see a sprinkler head that's missing and it's just shooting a geyser, that's the sort of thing you want reported.
Exactly. And they can actually take photos and upload those online. They can give us a call. They can send us an email.
And cvwatercounts.com is a great place to go for more on water reduction and conservation. Xochitl, thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, just do your part. You can always manage to save a little more water. 760-323-4971. dwa.org. We'll be back with more. You're watching News Channel 3, the Desert.